and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, and this is my husband, Lan.
Hi.
Welcome to this very Mistletoe Monday Advent Calendar unboxing. If you missed yesterday's unboxing, we got this cute little Eeyore with a letter to Santa. He has his Christmas hat on, and he's got a little scarf. He's just really cute, and he sits really, really well. All right, so we are going to open day number 12.
Number 12.
Here we go. Mr. Anderson, will you do the
Drum
honors?
roll, please. All right.
I got this.
Make a guess. What do you think?
I'll say Donald.
Donald?
Donald Duck.
I'll say...
I think our cat is in the tree.
In the tree. I do think so, too.
Pete Anderson. I don't know if it's Pete.
What? Here. Excuse me.
Pull her
I
out.
think it could be Goofy. A Christmas Goofy.
What we got?
It's Donald Duck.
Oh! Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
It's Donald.
Let's see, does he... Oh, and he stands.
That's Donald.
Woo-hoo.
That's Donald Duck.
And it's the, if you will, traditional
Excuse
Donald
me,
Duck.
I gotta rescue a cat from a tree.
He's got his classic sailor outfit on, and he is just ready to set sail for a new adventure, maybe with one of his best pals, Mickey Mouse. He's really, really cute. He stands well. So that is day number 12. So I am so glad you guys got to see us open day 12. I hope you join me tomorrow for another fun unboxing. Oh, hi, Pistol Pete.
Here's Pistol.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And that's why we don't have cats on camera.